Hi, my beautiful gems. Welcome back to my channel. So let's check out Martina McBride, Concrete Angel, official video.
She walks to school with a lunch she packed. Nobody knows what she's holding back. Wearing the same dress she wore yesterday. She has the bruises with a linen and lace. Oh. The teacher wonders, but she doesn't ask. It's hard to see the pain behind the mask, bearing the burden of a secret storm. Sometimes she wishes she was never born. Through the wind and the rain, she stands hard as a stone in a world that she can't rise above. But her dreams give her wings, and she flies to a place where she's loved. Concrete angel. Somebody cries in the middle of the night. The neighbors hear, but they turn out the light. A fragile soul caught in the hands of fate. When morning comes, it'll be too late. Through the wind and the rain, she stands hard as a stone in a world that she can't rise above. But her dreams give her wings, and she flies to a place where she's loved. Concrete angel. A statue stands in a shaded place. An angel girl with an upturned face. A name is written on a polished rock. A broken heart that the world forgot. Through the wind and the rain, she stands hard as a stone in a world that she can't rise above. But her dreams give her wings, and she flies to a place where she's loved. Concrete angel.
Alright, guys, so this is the end of Concrete Angel. And what a beautiful, beautiful song. But just not the story that was behind this song. I believe everyone feel this young queen. And I'm also happy that God was able to put a little boy there, a little angel boy, that she had a friend. She didn't feel completely alone. And I think the lyrics hit me most when I heard they said she was going to school with her own packed lunch. And she had the same dress that she wore yesterday, which means this child was not only being abused, she was being neglected by her mom. And it looked like the mom was she had some substance abuse issue as well. And in spite of her going through that dark place, going to school every day, she still had a heart of joy. She still didn't frown and was upset or hungry. She still had that light in her eyes. Guys, I don't know what it takes. I don't know how someone can abuse a child or kill a child. I just don't know. Especially kids and elderly people. I don't know where these demonic beings reside from. And like I say, every disappointment is a blessing, and God knows why He puts us through certain things. Wow. I didn't think I would be this emotional. Damn. But guys, I trust that you all enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Feel free to leave your comments down below. Again, thank you so much for checking out my channel. Stay safe and be blessed.